Another simple discipline that I exercise is that I give a free discount prescription card to 1 to 3 people per day, and I make sure they understand that there's a business opportunity attached to the card. We have 50 million people in this country with no prescription coverage at all, so everyone needs what I have to give them. The prescription card is amazing. It saves people between 10 and 75% off most prescriptions. We certainly have enough unemployed people who can also use this business model. I'll bet they have no idea that network marketing even exists or that they could do it. I'm very happy to be the mouthpiece for the industry of network marketing. Simple disciplines exercised daily produce huge results over the course of time. It's simple, it's easy, it's duplicatable, and I love it.